Hi guys, welcome to the next section, Day 6, Deep Dive with Advanced Concept. In this section, we will see understanding collection classes and their usage, understanding generics and their usage, discussing constraints, types of attributes, leveraging preprocessor directives, getting started with LINQ. Now, we move on to the first video of this section that deals with understanding collection classes and their usage. In this video, we're going to take a look at collections and generics with its usage. Collection classes are specialized classes and are meant for data interaction, that is, storage and retrieval. Let's provide us an overview of the usage and meaning of non-generic collection classes. The first class is ArrayList. The name itself describes that this contains a collection of ordered collection that can be accessed using index. In the case of ArrayList, we can get the benefits of various methods to add or remove elements of collections. Next class is the hash table. Hash table is nothing but a representation of collections of a key-value pair and are organized on the basis of a key, which is nothing more than a hash code. The use of hash table is advisable when we need to access data on the basis of a key. Hash table is very useful when we need to access elements with the use of a key. In such scenarios, we have a key and need to find values in the collection on the basis of a key. The next class is sorted list. The sorted list class is nothing but a representation of collections of a key-value pair and are organized on the basis of a key and are sorted by key. Sorted list classes are a combination of ArrayList and hash table, so we can access the elements using the key or the index. As stated, a sorted list is a combination of an array and a hash table. Items can be accessed using a key or an index. The main thing in sorted list is that the collection of items is always sorted by the key value. After that, we have the stack. Stack represents a collection of objects. The objects are accessible in the order of last in, first out. It contains two main operations, push and pop. Whenever we insert an item to the list, it is called pushing, and when we extract an item from the list, it is called popping. When we get an object without removing the item from the list, it is called peeking. Further, we have the queue. Queue represents a first-in, first-out collection of objects. There are two main actions in queue. Adding an item is called enqueue, and removing an item is called dequeue. Another collection class is bit array. Bit array is nothing but an array that manages an array of bit values. These values are represented as Boolean. True means on and false means off. In this video, we understood the collection classes and their usage.